Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for coming to our presentation on the OAD Onboarding Week in 2023. We are the Central American Caribbean Bridge in Astrophysics, or Cenca Bridge. So who are we? Cenca Bridge is a nonprofit organization that aims to increase opportunities in Central America and the Caribbean. And we are composed of not only us co-leaders, Antonio Porras Valverde and Dr. Gloria Fonseca Alvarez and myself, Valerio Urrutia Hurtado, but also of amazing mentors that are either undergrad students or postdocs or graduate students. But Antonio will tell you more a bit about what we do.
Thank you, Valeria. So here at Cenca Bridge, we have different activities that helped to create the impact in the Central American and the Caribbean region. And this is some of them that we have started since the creation of Cenca Bridge. Gloria will tell you more about what we have done with the OAD funding. Since the start of the Cenca Bridge, we have developed this remote internship program where students are paired with mentors who are usually from Central America and the Caribbean, as well as advisors who are established scientists worldwide. We have students that have participated in computational and professional development workshops, students that have started their own local mentoring programs, and we are ourselves an established nonprofit now. Through the remote internship, we have about 29 students, 9 of them who for the first time were able to provide some remuneration for their work through the OAD. But these are the 29 students, some of the 29 students. And a fraction of these students actually, once they have finished their remote internship, they come back as mentors to help guide students in these remote internships. There's also some fraction of these students that have continued doing work with their designated advisor during the time of the remote internship and have continued their graduate studies in a master's or PhD phase. Gloria now will tell you more about what we have done at the OAD.
Yeah, so thanks to funding from the IU OAD, we were able to expand both the size and the reach of the program. So previous years, we had about 5 students per internship. We did that twice a year. But this year, we were able to support 10 students. And you can see their names in the bottom of the slide. And we also, in the past years, we mostly had students from Central America. But this year, we were able to reach students in the Caribbean, including the Dominican Republic, Trinidad and Tobago, and also Haiti. So we were also able to provide some monetary compensation for the first time for the student contributions to astronomy, and also for the mentors who are supporting these students, the student mentors. We also provided computational workshops in Python. We had 2 workshops this year. And this week, we also had funding for these workshops, which were previously just volunteer efforts. And these workshops were open to anybody in our group, not just the people in the internship. So Cenca Bridge, in addition to the internship, we have other activities, and this supports about 100 students in Central America and the Caribbean. We also introduced new activities with focus on mental health. So we had a sociologist for Nicaragua lead listening circles for students to find support, which is often lacking in academic spaces. And we did this twice. We also have been working really hard to restructure our programs to include more inclusive practices. So for example, since we have expanded to the Caribbean, we changed our programming from mostly Spanish to now everything is both in Spanish and English. And we're gonna work to include more languages in the future as well, but also constantly improving our application process, since we mostly try to reach students who are not already involved in astronomy. So this was all thanks to the support from the IU OAD, the research mentors, student mentors, and also the rest of our collaborators. And this year we will also have hopefully another cohort of 10 students. We'll introduce social justice workshops and also continue the activities focused on mental health. But yeah, thank you.